There's only two reasons to buy the XM5s over the XM4s. Number one is it's confusing putting these away. I've had them for a couple years and it still confuses me. Maybe I'm not the smartest guy, but the other reason is the XM5s, they don't have any sensors that are in any weird spots. So if your ear goes around here, there's no strange spot where the in-ear sensor is. There's two little dots in the middle, but as long as you have kind of normal ears, that won't bother you. These XM4s, on the other hand, you can kind of see it. So there's an in-ear sensor probe right there. It's less pronounced on this side, but it can hit a weird spot in your ear, and it can be really annoying after an hour or so. These ones, it's much less pronounced. Also, the drivers in these are a little smaller, but I barely can tell any difference between the audio. So if you have very regular shaped ears, buy the XM4, save some money, learn how to fold them up, pop them in here, however you're supposed to do that, like that. A lot of people say it takes up less space in your bag. I don't really know if that's true because it's a little wider. But these ones, I do like how it's a tiny bit flatter, and I really don't mind because it's like the last thing I put in my bag. So even if it's a little taller, like it usually fits into a backpack that way. So a lot of the complaints are saying like this is smaller, but I don't really notice it. But if you want to save a little money, buy the XM4s. They're completely great besides that ear thing. And I prefer these much more because after a couple hours, the XM4s they really hurt my ears. So I gave these away, and these are mine now. Hopefully that helps if you're trying to decide between the two.